kind of what I'm working towards down here is getting the old wiring out enough and getting the old brakes out of here so we can get a different brake system under here. We'll see how that goes, but hopefully we can make something work to where we can use the kind of stock pedal and stuff here. Our old master cylinder out. This is just a master cylinder and booster combo that I had around. That's, we need to go in here somewhere. Yep, that ain't gonna fit at all. So, time for plan B. Zip ties! Okay. I did have a pedal in stock. It's not for a 35 to 40 frame. But let's say it's not for it. Let's take the pedal off and see how this looks. Okay, got the pedal off of this, which is basically made a mount for that. Still not looking that great. I think we need to mount it out here and just use the pedal and all that. That should be able to mount right there. What I need to do is make a plate that this bracket bolts to. It has this mounting plate here. I need to basically make the exact same thing, the height of our frame. Bolt that piece on there and then set it in here and tack it. I'll probably have to weld the nuts on the back of it because you won't be able to get in there to unbolt it. Got her kind of set up in there, and I think I'm gonna have to weld it while it's all together so I can get the angle of the dangle just right. Not really looking forward to welding this considering it's right over my freaking face. Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. There she is. There's our reservoir and our pedal. It hits the frame, but it would hit the firewall anyways. So that's gonna be enough throw, I imagine, for that. Looks like a good position. Plenty of room for the fuel or the gas pedal. Alright, I took the master cylinder off to get the brake started. Kind of looks a little funny because I turned the proportioning valve around because the master cylinder sits backwards. But it's a start. Got a brake switch on there and all the different fittings that go into these. Anyways, it's a start. Let's go for a ride.